GoPro 13. Holding the camera with my hand, 5.3K, 60 frames per second. That's the maximum resolution for such a device. Liner view. If we go wider, is it wider? I think it is, a little bit. We'll have a little bit more in the frame, but we can go even wider. Super view, how wide is that? We're going to have a full tree in the frame, and not really, this tree is too big, but I have something cool for you. Look at that. That is a sun clock. Is it cool? I think it is. Bit of fountain right there, a little bit of colors for you. Red. And that is a hyper view. And hyper view it is. How wide can we go with the regular lens? That's the maximum. But I think it's a little bit distorted, just a little bit. But can we go wider? Yes, we can. With a selfie stick. Look, the whole building is in the frame. How crazy is that? And it's a huge building. Also, built-in microphones are great. Even on the selfie stick, you can hear me nicely. But the hyper view is only in 30 frames per second if you want to keep 5.3K. You can go 60 in 4K. Horizon leveling, it's like 20% maybe, and I'm still in level. Horizon lock, what does that mean? It means that we lock the horizon and then now I can spin the camera whatever we like and we'll be still in level. My selfie stick is damaged and the camera is upside down, but I'm still at the correct position. Night is a bit flickery, a bit. Voice control. GoPro start recording. GoPro stop recording. Bluetooth microphone is also available, but I won't recommend connecting any of it for sound itself. Maybe if you want to control the GoPro, because you can, on a high distance, then yes. But for the audio itself, no. You see, the Bluetooth technology itself won't allow high quality audio. I hope you can hear how bad it is. And it doesn't matter what kind of Bluetooth microphone it is. It's not the microphone itself, it's the Bluetooth technology. New improved battery, which apparently it's better, but it still goes more than 1% for a minute. All kinds of accessories like that cable to record time lapse if you wanted to. Quick mounting. I've seen it already in a different brand. Tons of different lenses. I like the macro. I like the wide lens. Do we really need a wide lens? And motion blur filters. That's not it all. And anamorphic lens. All kinds of lenses, like I said, all kinds. Biggest improvement is in the software. And for example, if you want to stream from the GoPro, it's very easy now. Just click on the smartphone, bam, and it works. When in the previous models, well, previous software, now it's most likely updated, was a pain in the ass and didn't work at all. No glitches, no freezes, it's not overheating itself. Oh, okay. When we stream, like in 20 minutes, I couldn't charge at the same time because there was a info on it, that it's too hot to charge and stream at the same time. That's the only downside, but other than that, it's okay. Maybe if you're in a... Okay, I was stationary. Maybe if you... That's a GoPro, it needs movement, it needs air. So maybe if you're like moving in a fast rate and streaming at the same time, it'll be cool enough to charge also. Anyway, that's all I got. See you next video. Bye.